Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1967 Chevy Camaro RS SS pace car. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Rotisserie restored, white, with a white convertible top, blue interior, 396 SS RS. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle. As I mentioned, 396, 325 horse. Beautiful car. As we walk around this car, showing you the car, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University, on the corner of 301 and Televast. We are located right on 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. I'm not going to show you the entire inventory. It can be seen online on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. About 80% of the inventory is domestic classic cars. The other 20% are European luxury and or exotic vehicles. If you have an interest in anything, as I mentioned, you can give us a shout on the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, or give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you're not in Florida, don't hesitate to still view the website or give us a call, as we are a full service dealership where we will help manage the shipping process for you. Last year we shipped to over 19 U.S. states and 9 countries around the world, so we can certainly get this 67 Camaro RS SS to anywhere you may be in the world. If you have finance needs or would like to finance, we also have finance partners. You can visit the website classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a finance tab. You can fill out a finance app and we'll get your car of the dream, your dream car headed your direction. Again, this 67 Camaro RS SS, very well done, rotisserie restoration. There's the rally wheels, and you can see the white, raised white lettered tires. Does have drums in the back, I believe, disc up front. Yep, disc up front. Power brakes, power steering. True pace car. Looking at the trim tag, it does have a period correct 396, 325 horse engine. Just a beautiful car. I'm going to go ahead and get it started up here. Connect the battery, as everything is always disconnected while it's inside. Just to show you that it is a cold start. Grab the headers here. As you can see, it is cold. It was cold last night, at least for Florida. I know the rest of the country's in a deep freeze. Here it was 37 last night, which is cold for Florida. But let's grab the keys. It is 4-speed manual, as you can see. Has some gauges. Make sure we grab the right key here. Eventually. So we got too many keys on this ring. There we go. Make sure we're neutral here. We have the brake set, so the brake is on. get out, hear the exhaust and the engine. Hear that cool exhaust. Got it. And a little rumble that the 60 muscle cars are known for. And again, absolutely beautiful 67 rotisserie-restored Camaro RS SS base car. Just over 49,000 miles on the odometer, 49,874. So pick it off the highway on there. Rev up a little bit. Just a beautiful car. Sounds great. Engine sounds fantastic. Paint's in very good condition. See the top. Here one more time as we rev it up. Again, not completely warmed up, but go ahead and shut it off. If you are interested in this 1967 Camaro SS RS pace car, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And we appreciate you joining in today. Thank you very much.